The Mahabharata, 100 Questions. This section of the Mahabharata recounts a conversation between Yudhishthira and the divine being, Yama, who quizzes him with profound ethical and philosophical questions, testing his wisdom and integrity. This story focuses on key ideas like dharma, karma, and life-splitting nature, highlighting the need for moral understanding and balancing personal and social responsibilities. Yudhishthira's answers tackle big questions about life's meaning, the certainty of death, and the role ethical leadership, offering timeless lessons for handling life's challenges. The 100 Questions, written by Krishna Vyasa, focusing on life's ethical and spiritual dimensions. It highlights the importance of self-awareness, moral choices, and adherence to dharma in the face of challenges. Yudhishthira's thoughtful answers showcase the value of humility, wisdom, and the pursuit of truth, reminding us of the enduring significance of ethical living.